You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. It comes from the French word baton, which means a stick, a wooden stick. In English, it's pronounced as baton. That's because it comes from French. Baton. The stress is on the second syllable. Baton in French, but English pronunciation, how to pronounce baton. It's easy once you know baton, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.